Welcome back to my channel. This is Serena Rocks, and today I'm going to show you another item that I bought from Lazada. So this is the wireless keyboard. This is for iPads. So sa unboxing na to, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and ilagay po natin yung iPad, or this is a 5th gen iPad na i-install ko dito sa wireless keyboard. I hope you will watch this video up to the end. Kasi ito guys, makikita natin na as soon as i-open, meron po tayong manual na makikita kasama po sa item. And this wireless keyboard is color rose gold. So this is ideal for ladies and girls who wants to have a fancy look like wireless keyboard. And it comes with a charger, but this is a USB wire that you can attach to any charger, Android charger. So sa itsura po, napakaganda. It really looks so smooth and pretty. Ayan po ang ating USB wire. This is an Android compatible USB charger. Ayan, so ang ganda po ng itsura. This is the back view of the wireless keyboard. This is the front. So, meron po siyang butas na makita po yung logo ng Apple. So, let's open it. Ayan. So, naka-secure talaga siya. And, so pretty. Ang ganda po ng itsura. Very smooth. It really looks brand new. And it looks like a fancy wireless keyboard. So, sa itsura pa lang, para ka ng may netbook, guys. Ayan. So, try na natin ilagay ang iPad. So, I have my iPad here. It's a 5th gen model. So, I'm going to install this. Ilagay pa natin siya dito sa yan. So, i-clip na natin siya dito sa may screen na part ng wireless keyboard. Nakalock lang po siya doon. So, secured naman siya. Hindi siya basta-basta na matatanggal. So, naka-intact lang po siya, guys. So, yan po ang power button na sa gilid lang po ng wireless keyboard. Okay, so I'll show you how we're going to pair the iPad to your wireless keyboard, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you how are we going to pair the iPad and your wireless keyboard. So click the settings and then Bluetooth. And as soon as you turn on the Bluetooth, actually, wala ka pang madedetect na keyboard or wireless keyboard. And make sure nakikita niyo po yung lights, blue and green, dun sa upper right corner. Just to make sure na naka-on po yung wireless keyboard niyo. And then, to detect the wireless keyboard, meron po kayong pipindutin. So, these are the keys that you're going to press. So it's FN and then C. Ayan. So as soon as you click that, lalabas po ang Bluetooth keyboard. So pipindutin nyo lang yan and then you will get connected. Ayan. So ready na. Naka-connect na ang iyong iPad to your wireless keyboard. So sa pag-maneuver ng inyong mouse, actually, we will still be using the touch screen sa iPad. But if you will be using a Bluetooth mouse, then it will be much better. So, ayan guys. So, I'll be testing all of the keys. Ayan. So, it's working. So make sure na natetest nyo bawat keys, letters, kasi kung may defect or na hindi nag-work, pwede nyo naman pong i-complain yan sa supplier. Pero hassle yun, guys. Mas mabuti talaga na makatiming tayo ng magandang item from Lazada. Ayan, so there. So I'll just show you other keys or functions na pwede nyo gawin. Ayan, sa upper keys, meron pong brightness, low and high. May mga shortcut keys po dyan. And then, meron din pong sa sounds or para sa music. So, meron din pong high and low. So, di po natin marinig yung music muna kasi baka makapiright tayo. So, ayan, ang ganda guys. Talagang nag-work siya. Wow, it looks like a real netbook. You can bring it with you anywhere. And very convenient, very pretty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.